See, out of 11, 8 जण आमचे they are the first time MLAs. आणि I mean today's CLP we have discussed about the floor management. आमचे 3 senior leaders were there and they have briefed them how to tweak the questions, how to answer them. And basically this is going to be a very long session. We hope that government doesn't curtail it and have the full session because government, I mean BJP's failure, they are known to confuse the people of Goa. If you can't convince, you can confuse the people. That is the BJP strategy. Like what has happened in Panchayat election is a best example. So we demand the full session should go on so that जे लोकांचे प्रश्न आसा आज गोंयकाराचे जे आमचे opposition MLAs are going to put, I mean you will come to know in the session. These are genuine problems of Goans. जे आज तुवें जो मुद्दो काढलो उदकाचो, literally आज पणजे बुडला. I mean if you see their tagline, they said imagine पणजे smart city. So म्हाका दिसता पणजेकारांनी फक्त इमॅजिनूच करपाचें that Panjim is a smart city. This tarring of road was done during election time. Some were done pre-election time. So तेन्ना खंयचो पावस पडटालो. Panjim Miramar Road, the MLA of Panjim has appealed and he said sorry to the people of Panjim, saying that the road tar gelo म्हणून. But I would like to remind both of them, even the PWD minister, the road was done when Amit Shah had come to Panjim. And that was during the time of election. तेन्ना खंयचो पावस पडटालो in the month of January. So you are trying to save the contractor. काय तुका कितें अंडर द टेबल कमिशन मेळ्ळा that you are saying की ना पावस पडलो ताजे वर एक लेयर घातलो आनी गेलो म्हणून. अरे हाज्या पयलीं ह्या 10 वर्सां बीजेपी सरकारान हे रस्ते व्हांवन वचपाक लागले. ताज्या पयलीं रस्ते व्हांवन वचनाशिल्ले अशे. फूल पावस कंप्लीटूच जावना, 8 दीस पावस पडला रस्तो व्हांवन गेलो. सो आय थिंक ऑल दीस इश्यूज आर देर गोंयकाराचे which our MLAs are going to take in the coming assembly session.
त्यातला तुमच्या ऑपोजिशन लिडराचे हे करतात इश्यूज काडटा तेजेवर. सो हेजो सगळो एमआय
See, that has been their USP न्ही. तूं आज पळयत जाल्यार देशभर जो leader, I mean which party is against them, ताका ते टार्गेट करता. Same thing they did in Maharashtra. आता like I said, if you can't convince the people, confuse them. That is their strategy of BJP. So they आता गोंयान, see, across the country they want to finish opposition. They don't want to have a healthy democracy. Same formula they are using in Goa. So they are targeting the opposition leader.
तेजे प्रॉब्लेम जातलो असेंब्ली सेशन आनी इम्पॅक्ट जातलो.
No, ताचो कसो impact जातलो. He is there on record. He said I will fight it out. He has told me.